Hi there. Welcome to Cine Culture with Cine, where everything we do is for the culture of filmmaking and cinematography. Today, I'll be talking about a quick rule that is very easy to mess up. And guess what? Many filmmakers forget this rule while shooting and remember it when the edit is done. So with that out of the way, let's do this. Rules and measurement in degrees. What exactly has making films got to do with degrees? Let's talk about the 30-degree rule. So, what is the 30-degree rule? The 30-degree rule stipulates that if you're cutting between two angles of the same person or subject, you need to move your camera at least or more than 30 degrees between cuts. And if you're using two cameras to film one person or subject, you need to make sure that those cameras are at least 30 degrees apart. This is so we don't get what's called a jump cut, which can be really distracting and take away from the viewer's experience. Especially when shooting interviews, I'm always mindful of keeping my two cameras at least 30 degrees apart. To illustrate, I'm going to demonstrate with this two-camera setup. Both cameras are at least 30 degrees apart. So now when I cut between shots, it should be seamless for the viewer. But if the angle is less than 30 degrees, watch what happens when I cut between shots. That disorienting glitch is called a jump cut, which isn't ideal and which is very noticeable to the eyes. One way around this could be to scale up the safety shot and move it slightly to the right. However, this will result in a decrease in quality if shot in HD rather than 4K. If there isn't enough space for your camera to move while filming with two different angles simultaneously, then just make sure you have one close-up shot and one medium shot at the same spot. This should help avoid jump cuts. If you do have access to filming in 4K though, then even better, as it allows for more flexibility when editing and cutting footage without compromising quality. And that's it, folks. Don't hesitate to send in questions in the comments section, and I'll surely answer them. Also subscribe and follow for more filmmaking secrets and equipment giveaways. But more importantly, don't forget to keep making films. That's the secret sauce to getting better. See you in the next video.